Hi, bird. This bird is not scared of me. What are you doing? Do you want to swim? You want to swim to my new pond? Wow, that's cool. There's another bird. Wow, they love my new pond in here, huh? Wow, bird. You are so cool. Look at you. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's cool. You love the new pond, huh? I like the stone design. What am I gonna call you? I'm gonna give you a name. What? Hey guys, what do you think I should name him? I've been seeing him here for a while. You know, he's not scared of me. Alright. He's done. Bye bye, birdie. That's kind of a cool. He likes my new pond. I just spilled it. There's no filtration yet, but that will be a waterfall right there. That's my filter soon. Just doing it. Okay. I guess that's it. Not done yet. Oh. That's my money tree. There's my new fish right there. I feed them with eggs. They love the eggs. See that? They just nibble, nibble, nibble when they're getting hungry. Hiding on those stones. Right, guys. Another bird. Thirsty. Come on in. Feel free. You're welcome here. This is your home. Gotta drink some water. Too hot. 90 degrees outside. Come on in. Drink, drink, drink. They're not used to it yet. I just had the water like yesterday. I put in water, put the liner and everything since yesterday, and it's only almost 24 hours. So looks like the birds and the fish loves it. Not even done yet. Alright. He probably gonna take a bath also. Whoa, he saw the fish in there. Yeah, the fish right there. Koi. That koi. It's not so clearly, I don't have the filter, but yep, they're right there. I'm gonna probably post this in YouTube. Hope somebody will watch. I hope. Probably it's only me and my wife and my son, maybe. Alright guys. I think that should be it. It's I'll wait maybe 4 minutes. Right there. Hope I'll get this one done soon. Especially the filter and the waterfalls and the skimmer. Alright, maybe I'll give an update later. Thanks, bye bye. Oh, actually it's Father's Day, but I don't live right here by myself, but my family will be here October this year, 2016, and hopefully they will enjoy our new pond. Thanks, bye bye.